Clean workspace. Ensure your waxing area is clean, clutter-free, and well-lit. This reduces the risk of infection and helps you see every detail. The right wax. Opt for hard wax or sugar wax specifically designed for sensitive areas. Hard wax adheres to the hair and not the skin, making it gentler. Patch test. Always perform a patch test on a small area of your skin 24 hours before waxing to check for any adverse reactions. Trim hair to the right length. Trim the hair to about 1/4 inch for optimal waxing results. Hair that's too long can be painful to remove, while hair that's too short may not be effectively gripped. Exfoliate the skin. Gently exfoliate the area a day before waxing to remove dead skin cells. This prevents ingrown hairs and ensures better wax adhesion. Pre-wax oil. Thin layer of pre-wax oil to protect your skin and allow the wax to adhere only to the hair, reducing discomfort. Heat the wax correctly. Follow instructions to heat the wax to the right consistency, neither too hot nor too cold. A honey-like consistency is ideal. Test wax temperature. Test the wax on the inside of your wrist before application to avoid burns. Apply wax in small sections. Work in small sections for better control and precision, especially in sensitive areas. Stretch the skin tight. One hand to stretch the skin tight before applying wax. This reduces pain and ensures cleaner hair removal. Wax in hair growth direction. Spread the wax in the same direction as hair growth to ensure it grips the hair properly. Remove against hair growth. Quickly pull the wax strip against the direction of hair growth for a smoother result. Use the right technique. Pull the wax strip close to the skin rather than upwards to avoid breaking the hair. Pressure after removal. Press your hand firmly on the waxed area immediately after pulling to soothe the skin and reduce pain. Use a mirror, handheld or standing mirror to check hard-to-see areas and ensure thorough waxing. Cooling gel handy. Apply aloe vera gel or a cooling post-wax lotion to calm the skin and reduce redness. Avoid overlapping areas. Avoid waxing the same spot twice in one session to prevent irritation and burns. Stay comfortable. Wear loose-fitting cotton underwear after waxing to allow the skin to breathe and avoid friction. Hydrate your skin. Drink plenty of water before and after waxing for skin hydrated and resilient. Avoid heat and sweat post-wax. Skip hot showers, saunas, and exercise for at least 24 hours to prevent irritation. Prevent ingrown hairs. Start exfoliating the area gently 48 hours after waxing to prevent ingrown hairs. Patient hard-to-reach areas. Take your time and adjust your position for hard-to-reach spots. Don't rush process. Tweezers for stray hairs. Pluck any remaining hairs with sanitized tweezers to achieve a smooth look. Wax supplies hygienic. Clean your waxing spatulas, strips and equipment after each use to maintain hygiene for future sessions. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.